Hello and welcome to Aziels Technologies. This is Amit and this is the part 1 of HTML tutorial series. So we are learning HTML from the scratch. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML are represented by tags. HTML label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. This is a simple HTML document. Now, I'm just going to explain you this document. What is it? The doc HTML declaration define this document to be HTML5 or HTML. This HTML element is the root element of the HTML tag. This head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title of the document. The body element contains a visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. So, here we do have some HTML tags. HTML tags are element names surrounded by angle brackets and we need to close it. So, there are two kinds of tag. One is called empty tags or one is called container tag. Those are the container tag, we need to close it. Those are the empty tag, we doesn't require to close them. So how we are going to use it? Tag name, and then we are going to write content and then going to close the tag name. It could be anything, just like your bold, your paragraph, your italic, etc. HTML tags are normally comes in pair, like p open and then content and p close. The first tag in the pair is known as the start tag and the second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag but with a / inserting before the tag name. For running our application, you know very well that for running any application, we require a software application. Just like you are running your MS Word, the .doc file in MS Word, .pptx file in PowerPoint, .mp3 in Video Media Player, or JPG in Photo Viewer, or etc. etc. In a similar way, when you are developing any website or creating any web pages, you require a software where your code will run. So for running your pages, we require a web browser. So you are familiar with the web browser. The web browser, just like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them. The browser does not display the HTML tag, means the code we have done in our notepad or in any IDE, the code is not going to show on the page but only the part we have written in between the opening and closing tag. So this is an example of HTML page structure, how a HTML page structure is look like. The top one is the HTML and the similar you will see that it is opening and at the bottom it is closing. Then we require the head section and head opening and head closing. Between that we use to put up our title tag, or if we having CSS or other files to be linked up, we put up between the head section, which we are going to learn into the later tutorial session. Then we do have a body section. Whatever you will see on the page, that will be just because of this body section. So inside of the body we used to write, and that is also going to be display on the page when we are running it into the web browser. Here I do have some information for you, that is the HTML version. Since the early days of the web, there have been many versions of the HTML, but I'm talking about the first HTML, it's in 1991. HTML 2.0 released in 1995, HTML 3.2 released in 1997, HTML 4.01 released in 1999 and XHTML released in 2000. Currently, we do have the latest version that is known as the HTML5 and it is released in 2014. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this tutorial are going to help you out building your web pages. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will be getting instant notification on your mobile phone or on your mail. So once again, thank you so much.